Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Friday the 13th of September. Start off here with what we call a surface weather depiction. You can see it's not really going to change for the next 3 days. There's high pressure over the Intermountain West, and there's this trough in the Pacific Northwest, and that will stay that way through at least Sunday night. And that means we're looking at some warming and drying going on. And under the ridge of high pressure, winds will be their usual afternoon gustiness, but nothing significant till maybe Sunday afternoon. So let's take a look at temperatures for today under the nearly clear skies. You can see temperatures warming back into the middle 70s for the Snake River Plain, and even Stanley should get to 71 today. Afternoon relative humidities bottoming out here in the 20% range, with the exception of the valley here between Chalice and Salmon, where we're starting to see it get below 15%, and a lot of it over here in the Owyhee Desert getting below 15%. Overnight lows tonight, pretty mild actually compared to what the 30s we've been having. Even in the Snake River Plain, will be more in the 40s. This weather depiction has to do, we had some issues with getting the latest of these, but you can see high pressure still is locked in place, and will be that way again for the next couple of days for the weekend. So here on Saturday, another large increase, about 6 to 10 degrees warming. You can see Pocatello at 83. Compared to the 77 the day before, and even Stanley getting now into the middle 70s. Relative humidities, of course, with that kind of warming will start to drop off. You can see more in the Arco Desert down through Craters of the Moon, getting below 15%, and getting very close here in the Pocatello area to 18. Overnight lows. Slight warming trend to those as well. And here on Sunday, you can see 87, and this is probably the hottest day of the next 7. 85 degrees in Burley, so not quite getting in 90, but that would not be out of the realm of possibility. And in fact, some of our computer model guidance is pointing towards 91 for Pocatello, so I would not be surprised if it is that warm. But we will be competing with, diminishing hours of sunshine, so at a maximum rate of change right now. Of course, with that warming temperatures, the Sunday afternoon minimum humidities, you can see widespread in the lower elevations, at least below 15%. There might be also some winds that afternoon, and they could combine. This will have to be watched and monitored to where we have red flag conditions. But right now, fuel conditions are in non-critical pretty much everywhere in southern Idaho. And so unless that changes, we would not foresee issuing any sort of red flag products at this time. Here's the overnight lows for Sunday night. Again, staying fairly mild for this time of year with very warm temperatures. This is the extended forecast for the next 4 days. You can see that things start to change on Monday. Clouds coming in, cooling things down a little bit, and there is a chance of rain and snow in the mountains, and a chance of rain and high elevation snow later on Monday night. And then Tuesday, coldest and wettest day. Rain and snow likely in the Central Idaho Mountains. Chance of rain elsewhere, and then clearing late on Tuesday night. You can see the temperatures bottoming out. Look at that 15-degree drop for the Central Idaho Mountains, and as much as 16 degrees in Snake River Plain, another 17 in the Eastern Highlands for highs. And then they continue to be cold on Wednesday, and then the rebound starts on Thursday, and that's when we start to dry out once again. Wednesday and Thursday, though, I will say this, the forecast is very much still low confidence forecast. Some of our guidance looks for this partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers, actually more like a chance of showers, even likely, whereas another computer model guidance says that it's going to be dry that entire time. So there's a lot of leeway in this forecast for Wednesday and Thursday. However, it should be windy on Tuesday as well. You can see temperatures getting fairly cold to the point where we could have, if we do have the rain and snow likely, it'll be going down fairly low elevations, still not in the Snake River Plain or the South Central Highlands, indicated by this 35 to 45 degree temperature, but certainly elevations above, 8,000 feet, we could definitely see some snowfall. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. If you have any comments or feedback for the content of the briefing, email our webmaster at this email address. Thanks for watching.